Hello everybody, I'm Bogdan and this is the mirror vibration easy fix for my Audi A4 B8. I know that everybody loves my beard. Although it is hard to catch on video, I have noticed that my right hand mirror was vibrating at high speeds. At the beginning I thought that the whole mirror assembly was moving, but on closer inspection I've noticed that only the glass part was at fault. For you to make sure that you're in the same situation, I would recommend trying to move the glass with your fingers or with a plastic trim tool. For doing this, you'll be needing a roll of 3M heavy-duty mounting tape, some isopropylic alcohol, a plastic trim removal tool, and a cutter to trim everything. The steps that I would recommend are as followed. And now I'll do some deciphering of my handwriting. So first you'll need to gently remove the glass of the mirror, and when you're doing this you should try not to leave too much residue on the glass. After that you have to clean the glass part removed with some isopropylic alcohol, and of course apply generously the new 3M mounting tape. Step 3. Clean the inside of the mirror with the IPA so that when you will glue everything together you will have a very good contact. Step 4. Flip the exterior case of the mirror so that when you go to attach everything you will have a better position to center the part. Now, because preparation is the key to getting good results, you'll do some testing. You will try to fit the mirror without removing the backing tape so that you'll have a general idea of how to center everything. Step 6. Now it will be the tricky part. You will remove the backing tape and you will go to attach your mirror. You will try to apply pressure over all the surface so that you make sure that everything is glued together, and hopefully by now you will have a very good centered and good working mirror. After this repair, you may wonder if the heating part will still work, because we have added material between the mirror and the old heat generating plate that is in the mirror. Well, in my tests everything worked properly. The heated mirrors work perfectly, and we didn't have to buy a new mirror assembly for solving this issue. Now, I hope that this video helps. If I forgot anything, please let me know in the comments below. And on that note, I'll be seeing you in the next video, with or without my beard. Anybody home? Are you still there? Don't go away just yet. I forgot. You might be wondering, why does this fault appear? The reason for this type of failure to happen is due to the way that the Audi heated mirrors work. They will come on automatically each and every time the outside temperature is underneath 13 degrees, or at least that is the temperature that I tested them and they were on. And in the long term, due to the heat, the glue that holds in place your glass in the mirror will get undone, and eventually you'll find yourself driving on the motorway with an annoying vibrating mirror.